Okay guys, so this is kind of impromptu. I just got my Juvia's Place palette. I recently got the Warrior. What is this? The Warrior? Yeah, this is the regular original Warrior palette. This is what it looks like. Very pretty. You can already see my fingerprint has been in there. And I got the Masquerade by Juvia's Place. And this is what that looks like. Super pretty. So I'm about to go out really quick, and I was about to do my makeup and I was like, let me turn on the camera and record it. So I'm gonna do a look today with this palette. I'm just gonna dip into Ada, this color right here. I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. I'm gonna go into Fulani. A lot of these are very pretty words that with my American self, I might mess up. Zulu is easy to pronounce. Calabar, Malichi, Zolabori, Fulani, Casablanca. These are some pretty color names. So I'm dipping into Fulani, and I'm just gonna deepen up my crease a little bit with that. Use the Warrior. I'll use the Warrior palette. I'm just gonna dip into this dark shade up here. Let's get a little on my brush and just deepen up the crease a little bit. I lost a little bit of my crease shade, so I'm gonna add that back. Just brighten it up, get that color back in there. I'm not even going anywhere. Nothing fancy. Just gonna go get my ears pierced, go get my nails done, get me something to eat. Nothing fancy. Okay, let's move on to color. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the color C8. I'm gonna just use this as a base for my cut crease. I'm just gonna, this is gonna be a freehand. So I gotta get in the mirror and see myself. So I'm putting the concealer on my brush, like so. And then we're just gonna make a circular shape on my eye. Okay, that's good enough for me. I hate that my lids are kind of heavy, so when I'm like, my lids are relaxed, kind of leaves a mark right there. How am I gonna fix this? Should I make my cut crease a little wider? I mean, a little higher? Ooh, see, it's all up here. I'm trying to make it clean. Ooh, Chile. This is not gonna be clean. We're gonna work with it though. All right, I'm gonna go in with this color right here, Bori, right here, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eye. Oh, that's pretty. I'm just gonna pat that color on. And that's gonna be like the first third, 1/3 of my eye. Next, I'm going in with Zobo, this kind of purple, red violet. And I'm gonna put that right next to it. Next, I'm gonna go in with Masquerade, this purple right here. And that's gonna be on the outer portion. Okay, that eye is done, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and then I'll be back. I'm gonna wet this little concealer brush and use this color Chi. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Just freestyling. I'm trying to outline it. Trying to outline this. But I'm also creating a wave with it. Okay, that didn't go too bad. I was like, girl, I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like going into Dahlia, this like blue right here. And then I'm gonna use that to maybe close the gap between the blue and the purple. I think I'm gonna go in with Zola and go right under that. Now I'm just gonna brush away that under eye powder. I'm gonna line my lids and come right back. Okay, for my under eye eyeliner, I'm gonna use my NYX. This is the retractable eyeliner in Purple Violet. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna use that to line under my eye. I kind of messed up that Zola. I'm gonna go back with my brush. It's still a little wet. I'm gonna go right under the wing. There we go. I kind of need to expand this Chi because compared to this side, kind of definitely super winged out. To do that over here as well. For lashes, I'm going to use my Kiss Look So Natural, and this is in Chile 62643. I think that's the number that they have up there. They're just some pretty thick, all over, very out there lashes, and since I have them in bulk, I'm just going to use them. Okay, so my lashes are pretty much on. I'm gonna wait for them to dry a little bit more before I put liner on top of the lash glue. I'm gonna go back into Masquerade. I'm just got this on like a flat brush, and I'm gonna go over that liner. Now I'm going to spray my face. Now I'm gonna go over my whole face with my Darkest Deep Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. Over my contoured areas, I'm gonna go in with Film Noir. This is a contour blush that I really like. Now for my highlight, I'm gonna go in with Revolution Strobe Highlighter, and this is in Lunar. It's got like a purple iridescent effect. It's very pigmented, so I don't want to be too crazy with it. Just gonna go over the highest point on the cheek. Okay, do the same to the other side. This is like Intergalactic African Space Queen. I don't know how it's intergalactic in Africa, but I said what I said. It didn't set under my brows, so I'm gonna go into a Hosi. Oh Lord, Chile. I gotta do better. This is the Warrior palette. Just gonna go right under my brow. Okay, for my lip, I'm gonna go in with my Current lip liner by MAC and just outline my lips. I'm gonna use Heroin by MAC. All right, I'm gonna put on my wig and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back. My wig is on. My eye makeup is done and set. I really like the pop of color I used today. It was kind of just a freestyle look that I decided to do. Yeah, I recently got these two palettes on sale. I think it was like, I think it was a Valentine's Day sale that they had, and the palettes were 30% off. And then there was like other people putting out codes that gave you an additional 10% off. So that was dope. So altogether, I think including shipping, these two palettes cost like $36. So that was pretty dope. So like together, I mean, separately they were like 15 each, and then with the $6 shipping, it came to 36. So that was a pretty cool deal. I think original price of this one is like 20, and this one I'm not sure. You have to look at the you'll have to go to the site and see. I'll put the link below so you'll know where to get these. You could just go to juviasplace.com. I really like this one because it's a nice golden palette. It's just really neutral golden, different golds and bronze. This nice dark deep brown color was like something I could use if I'm just doing a neutral face. I was like, this was clutch. And then I got this palette because of all the beautiful colors. As you can see, I used on my eyes today, just all the pinks and purples. And I love all the colors in this family right up here, these top two rows: pinks, purples, blues, turquoises. I love it. This is like a more like warm, neutral, nice golds, and this shimmery orange right here. I don't know if you guys can see the flecks of like gold shimmer. That would be something, a really dope look to try. But yeah, there are, 14 shades in here, and they're really big shades, like really big. Definitely bigger than a quarter. They're probably like $half size pans. So for $25, that's not really bad, because at other, you could get a shade, an eyeshadow from MAC for like $14 to $17 for one. That's crazy. So a 16 palette from MAC is like over $100, $200 tops. But yeah, I really enjoyed the color payoff from this palette. The colors definitely pop. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this to people who like to have fun with makeup. And this palette, it also, even though it has the fun colors up here, it has like the neutrals down here, so that's a plus. Yeah, so excuse me. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments that I didn't answer in this video. And please like and share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you guys next time with my next review, tutorial, whatever I feel like. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.